As for amateur hockey, state high school hockey poll came out yesterday. St. Francis remained at number 2, one spot behind St. Ignatius. Northview, despite losing to Bowling Green this past weekend, stays in the top 10 at number 6. Now, if you saw Ice Check last night, you know it's been a rough start to the season for Whitmer, but despite the record, there's still a lot of Panther pride in the rink every week. BCSN's Zach Herrig had their story.
Well, the Whitmer Panthers are one of the youngest hockey teams in our entire area, and while they know that they will take some losses during a rebuilding year, morale is still high, and these players are still having a lot of fun.
We just don't quit. Like I say, it doesn't matter what the score is. If we're winning or losing, we don't quit. We've seen each week we're getting better. Our goalies are getting better every practice. The scores are a lot closer as we're going through the season here, and we don't quit.
It's definitely tough. We have a lot of opposing teams that have a lot of talent and skill, but you just got to keep your head in the game, and that's what we're trying to keep doing. Keep hanging in there and try our best. We got a lot of younger kids, so we got a lot of people coming up, so you got to try to teach them the ropes and stuff to take on the responsibility that we have now.
It's pretty tough to deal with, but I mean, we just have to take it with a grain of salt and focus on the next game.
Despite their youth, the Panthers have two outstanding leaders in seniors Andrew Fisher and Nicholas Pitson.
Great in the locker room, good on the ice, good heads about them, clean players. Just work real hard in practice. They keep the morale up. Some of our scores have been a little high, so they keep the team focused, and they make sure we still have fun.
Our relationship's really close. We like to hang out after school, out of school, it doesn't matter. We're always together on the ice no matter what. So we kind of got a little thing going on the ice as well. So it's real good.
But with leadership comes responsibility as they continue to help out their younger teammates.
I'm trying to teach them what high school hockey's about, especially in the white division. The kids coming up from Bantam, it's a faster game. You just got to keep up with them and just put the pucks on the net, and good things will happen.
Yeah, we have a lot of potential for the future. Our 2 goalies are young. We have 1 freshman and then 1 junior. They both have potential. They both been getting better over the season, and they'll be doing good.
Our goalies will both develop. I know we have some 7th grade kids now that play goalie that are interested. Get a lot of 7th, 8th grade kids letting us know they're going to be playing. So 2 to 3 years, I think we'll have developed into a little bit better team with the kids that we have now that are freshmen, sophomores, developing into leaders.
While this season may be a little bit of a rebuild for the Whitmer Panthers, as Coach said, they will look to get the program growing and perhaps have more success in a few seasons. From the Ice House, Zach Herrig, BCSN.